Today I'm going to show you how to add and change languages on your Samsung keyboard. Whether you're multilingual or just want to try out a new language, I've got you covered. First, let's access the keyboard settings. Here's how. Open any app that allows you to type like messages or notes. Tap on the text field to bring up the keyboard. Now look for the gear icon in the keyboard's toolbar and tap it to open the settings. Now that you've in the settings, let's add a new language. Scroll down and tap on languages and types. Select manage languages. Here you'll see a list of available languages. Simply toggle the languages on you want to add. You can also tap add input language if you don't want to see the language you want. Once you've added the language, let's change it while typing. While the keyboard is open, look for the globe icon or the language switcher. Tap it to cycle through your selected languages. The keyboard will change the selected languages layout. And that's it. You've successfully added a changed language on your Samsung keyboard.